guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking in the Oven. Christmas is almost here, and I am making you a gorgeous and fresh dish. This can be used for appetizers or seconds. If you want to first be my guest. But anyway, let's get straight to the video. Sigla. Today we are making potato gateau or gateau di patate. What is it? It's basically like a focaccia made with potatoes. Pretty easy, 30 minutes just to make it. But I'll show you how to make it. Ingredients are 1 kilogram of potatoes, 4 eggs, 75 grams of mortadella, 75 grams of smoked cooked ham, 60 grams of Parmesan cheese, 400 grams of fresh mozzarella, and extra virgin olive oil as needed. We have salt, pepper as needed, and 30 grams of breadcrumbs. So let's start off by mashing our potatoes. I have potatoes that I already boiled. Boil them for 15 to 20 minutes until they're soft, ready to mash. So I've got this fun tool with me. I think you've already seen me do this when I made the pizza. If you remember that. Yeah, I think I know. Okay. I'm gonna mash them into here. Let's add 4 eggs. That's already cracked. 3. And the last one, 4. And that one didn't go to plan. Salt, pepper, and some Parmesan cheese. Let's start mixing now. Halfway through, add in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And mix until all is combined. I'm gonna add my ham now. Now the ham is cooked, obviously the potatoes cooked. If it wasn't for the eggs, I'll be eating this like yum. Like this would be gone in a minute. And also, fun fact actually, this is almost like how to make croquettes, potato croquettes. If you want to see that, maybe we'll make it together, because I like croquette. Now for the mozzarella. Now, as you can see here, we have lots of mozzarella. And when I was cutting these, I ate half of it. And I'm going to eat some more, because I like mozzarella. But anyway, let's add all of this in. Oh, I just love this mozzarella. Nice. And mix together. That was me when I was cutting the mozzarella. I put it into a plate with a strainer because I don't want too much excess liquid. In fact, I don't want excess liquid at all, because otherwise the potato will become, mushy. But in fact, this is done. The mix is all done. All we need to do is put this into a plate and cook it. Let's start preheating the oven at 180 degrees and at static. Yeah, we're gonna wait for this to preheat anytime now. While the oven's preheating, I'm going to oil my pan. Some olive oil, and make sure you get the borders as well. Yeah, I need more. Now, watch this. Okay, basically, it's supposed to like spread out, but it's not working. Oh no. Work. Okay, I'll try this something then. Yeah, stuck. Okay, eventually I got there. I think there was too much olive oil on one side, but as long as the borders are covered and the bottom's covered, it will be fine. Yeah. Okay, so I can start putting in my potatoes. So me and my dad love this. This is the original way. This can be eaten like hot, cold. The next day you don't even have to warm it up. So it's nice as it is. But if you want to enhance the flavor, you can add capers, which really bring out its flavor. I don't really like it, but my dad, I know he loves it. But we're just sticking to the classic today. So I'm going to use now the remaining breadcrumbs to coat for the Parmesan cheese. Now not only that the Parmesan cheese gives a nice flavour, it also gives it a nice crispiness, burnt parts that we all love, together with the breadcrumbs. And in fact, if you can see these pointy bits, yeah, don't flatten those out if you like burnt parts, because those are the stuff that gives it that crispiness, burntness. Okay, this is ready. Now, for the final touch, a little bit of olive oil. And I do not want to mess this up. And there you go. This is ready for the oven. Wow, this is heavy. In she goes. For 30 minutes. Yeah, this will be for 30 minutes. I can't wait for this because I love this stuff. Guys, look at this. Cameraman, can you just zoom in on this, because this looks fantastic. You can see the burnt edges. Nice. I suggest when this comes out of the oven, the potatoes are really hot. So I suggest you wait 5 to 10 minutes until you start eating this, because first, they'll become more compact. And second, you can taste more without going like that, without blowing stuff when it's too hot. But I just want to eat this now though. This looks, and this smells amazing. Alright, I'll wait for 10 minutes or so till I can start eating this. I want to eat it now though. Look at this. This looks so yummy. I mean, look at this cheese. Look at this cheese. Look at this cheese. Yes. Yes, I love this. Okay, this can be, as I said before, this can be used as a appetizer for your Christmas dinner. But right now, this is dinner. Like, dinner. Okay, the taste test, my favorite part. I'll go some mozzarella. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to talk anymore. I'm just gonna eat this. This is fantastic. This, you can really taste the mozzarella. Nice, melted the ham. This is perfect. But I hope you all loved watching this video as much as I loved cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash that like button and notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my videos. Make sure you go to my Facebook page, yes, and I also have a TikTok page. Maybe I might open one, shorter videos. But this is fantastic. Alla prossima. Ciao!